The global aviation industry has faced significant challenges in recent years, and the COVID-19 pandemic has only added to these challenges. However, as we move forward into the next decade, there are several trends that we can expect to see in the industry. One trend that is likely to continue is the pilot shortage. The aviation industry has always struggled with staffing shortages, but the pandemic has only made this problem worse. Airlines have had to lay off thousands of employees, and this has resulted in a shortage of pilots, ground staff, and other personnel. This has led to flight cancellations, delays, and misplaced baggage, causing frustration and disappointment for passengers. Airlines are now looking for ways to address this problem, such as starting their own flight academies to train new pilots. Another trend that we can expect to see in the next decade is the continued debate over single pilot operations in commercial aviation. While this idea may seem attractive as a way to reduce operating costs and address the pilot shortage issue, it is unlikely to be adopted due to safety and security concerns. The aviation industry has always been cautious about becoming over-reliant on technology, and the risks of a single pilot becoming incapacitated or the increased risk of terrorist attacks are too great to ignore. Technology adoption is another trend that we can expect to see in the next decade. The pandemic has accelerated the adoption of self-service platforms and electronic boarding systems, and we can expect to see more of this in the future. Biometrics and cloud technology are also likely to be used to improve passenger services, allowing passengers to perform all services up until boarding on their own, while still allowing the airport to track their movements. Artificial intelligence, AI, is also expected to be implemented in commercial aircraft flight decks, but it will not be used to replace pilots. Instead, it will be used to aid pilots in situational awareness and precision control. As the industry looks to meet net zero emissions by 2050, we can expect to see more adoption of sustainable aviation fuels, SAF, and green aircraft technology. New engine core concepts and retrofitted or blended wing designs are also expected to be developed, as they offer higher fuel efficiency benefits compared to traditional designs. The aviation industry will continue to face challenges in the next decade, but it is also expected to evolve in many ways.